Hi, Empties, the first one of the year, January 2022. Let me tell you something. My project plan target for this year is 122 products. Of these, I want 10 to be makeup. And surprisingly, I've finished quite a few makeup products this month. A confession, a lot of these were on their last legs, so to speak, in January. So it's not as I opened a full-size product and I finished the whole thing in January. No, that's not how it works. The other thing is I am back to my skincare routine now. The emphasis is on moisturizer, and I am sticking to a number of dermatologist recommended products, including Neutrogena, including Sebamed that my dam personally recommended I use for a while because my skin is still dry. It is no longer oily, it is dehydrated, but at the same time acne prone and terribly dry as well in some areas. So it's basically moved to combination skin now with a lot of dehydration. So let's talk about the makeup products that I used up this month. Eyeliner. Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. Oops. Right. All gone, as you can see. Yeah, I absolutely loved this. It was easy to use. It didn't tug at my lash line or, waterline. The color was brilliant. It glided on nicely. It was easy to smudge out. It stayed the whole day. It didn't get on here. It didn't, budge with my oily eyelids. No problems at all. Will I repurchase? I want to, but I genuinely can't afford it. So no, not right now. Concealer. Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Concealer. I discovered that I was on the verge of running out of concealers around mid-December. This was my last one. So I ended up buying 3 concealers on the Boxing Day sales. One of them I don't like. 2 of them I like. Yeah, so that's the situation with concealers. As you can see, this is all gone. The next product is from Revolution. It is the Cut Crease Canvas, all completely gone. This is the deep version. I've got 2 more left of the deep version. Now, this is ideal as your eyeshadow base if you are using a multi-chrome eyeshadow or if you are using a darker eyeshadow. If it's something lighter or medium, you want medium in this. If it's something deep, I prefer deep. The formula is lovely. The brush is brilliant. It spreads nicely. And unlike some applicators that I could mention, it actually gets right to the end of the tube. Very nice. So I've got 2 more left. The next product is a primer, Benefit Professional. All gone. Yeah, what can I say about Professional that hasn't been said 1,000,000,001 times before? Decent, very silicone mattifying primer, ideal if you've got oily skin. At a pinch, this is a bit of a tint as well. But that's not enough coverage for me. So I want my full foundation. So that's the makeup. Let's move on to skincare. Time Revolution First Treatment Essence from Misha. This is a Pro Ferment Alpha version. Let me tell you something. When Misha first released the Time, as you can see, it's all gone. I had actually started using this last year, and then I had to put a break on my skincare routine and resume it this month. When Misha first came out with the First Treatment Essence product, it was really good. You can call it a cheaper dupe, a sort of affordable version, maybe not as brilliant, affordable version of the SK2 galactomyces. However, Misha has since reformulated and released 3 or 4, I think it's 4 versions of this thing. And by now, it is crap. I'm never going to buy another Misha First Treatment Essence again. Why on earth do brands have to reformulate things? Yeah, if it ain't broken, don't fix it, people. I don't know what the problem was, but anyway, I feel that they've completely ruined a good thing. Yeah, the 3rd version was bad. The 4th one did absolutely nothing for me. Did nothing. It was like applying water on my face. That was all it was. So yeah, don't be repurchasing this. I'm sorry to say this. I'm also sorry if you are looking to buy this or if you're very new to the First Treatment Essence. If you have never used galactomyces or a fermented toner before, you'll probably like it. It probably makes some difference. But now it is very dilute. There are better products out there in the market at a very comparable price. The other thing is that This is now very dilute and a shadow of its former self. So if you use the first version or even the second one, and you're expecting the same results from this one, sorry, not going to work. It's very, very, very dilute now. So if you are looking for a first treatment essence and are eyeing Misha, I would say go in for something else, like Cynic or Secret, Cynic probably, or Secret Key maybe. But not Misha, unless you already bought it, and if it's your first time, it'll probably make some difference to you. Yeah, that's as polite as I can be right now. Yeah, Perfume, Golden Girl, Miss Gervain Perfume. My aunt from Malaysia gifted this to me a couple of years ago, and I love the smell so much. I don't know the first thing about the brand or the perfume itself, but I absolutely loved the smell. I sort of saved it and saved it and saved it and saved it. It's a very strong smell. There's a lot of musk in it. I'm getting musk, I'm getting amber. I'm getting lots and lots of jasmine. I'm getting florals. But I'm not getting, those gourmand notes, which are very in vogue right now. But that's a good thing because, while I don't mind gourmand perfumes, my heart will always belong to the slightly, 1990s, 1980s, kind of older classic perfumes that were more floral and sophisticated than gourmand. So you're not a huge fan of gourmand. Gourmand's nice, but, there's gourmand overkill right now. So this one was nice and old worldly. So will I repurchase? I can't even if I want to, unless I visit Malaysia or something. And I'm not going to do that anytime soon with COVID and Omicron and God knows what else. Lovely, this is classic. This is a woman who wears a red lipstick and a parsuit and high heels. I know it's not I. But yeah, it is very, very sophisticated. Lovely, not your gourmand at all. Well, a lot of millennials, I know I'm a millennial myself. I'm going to say this is old lady perfume. Disagree. Sophisticated. Yeah, that's enough about perfumes. Let's move on to skincare next. Cleanser, Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I needed something very, very gentle and non-drying, for my face once I had stopped using pharmaceutical prescription products. So I started off with the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It was very, very, very gentle. Took off makeup very nicely. Ideal first and second cleanse if your skin is acting up. The Ordinary 100% Squalane. One of the very few, I had to use this because my skin is so dry right now. All gone as you can see. One of the very few facial oils that hasn't broken me out. Plant-derived squalane, people. If you are looking for facial oil that doesn't break you out, this is a good choice. One of the better products from The Ordinary as well. It's very, very lightweight. Will I repurchase? I think I've got one more left. Yeah, the next one is the CosRx Centella Blemish Shampoo. With all the hydration that I've been doing, I've had to, there's been a breakout here and one here and one here. So I've had to go with this on those spots. But yeah, mild breakout. So that worked. I also layered that with the Innisfree Beach Art Trouble Spot Essence. This one I already have repurchased. This one I will not repurchase because it does absolutely nothing for blemishes and breakouts. Yeah, it just sits there on top of your zit and does nothing. Face moisturizer, Caudalie Vino Perfect dark spot correcting moisturizer. This is completely oil free. I have done a video on oil free moisturizers from mainstream Western brands. Do check that out if you are looking for other options, oil free options. This is 50 ml. Will I repurchase? No, there are better ones. Check out that video to see which my favorites are. But this was thick enough that I needed it right now, with all the peeling that I've had. Bath and Body. I've got the Tony Moly Magic Food Banana Hand Milk, and I will be hanging on to this absolutely cute banana-shaped packaging there as a little souvenir. Yeah, very, very cute banana. Yeah, very... But as a hand milk or a hand cream, there are far more hydrating, far more nourishing, far more softening, smoothing products out there in the market than this one. Didn't do much by way of hydration. Bath and Body, again, body lotion. Bath and Body Works. You'll see a lot of Bath and Body Works on this channel. Hot cocoa and cream body lotion. Hot cocoa and cream. Exactly what it says. Hot cocoa and cream. Oh yes, I could smell that all day. I like gourmand, don't get me wrong, I like gourmand. It's just that I like certain fragrances better, even better. Yes, soap, lastly, moving on from Sharjah here, people. Laura Mercier Amber Vanilla Soap. I did show you my Laura Mercier gift set that I hold when Space NK had that GWP. I started using the soap around then, and now it's over. Yeah, I'm glad I bought it because the soap, it was lovely. Very, very, very creamy soap. Possibly one of the best bath soaps I've used. And yes, smelled nice as well. So, 14 products finished in January, of which 4 are makeup. I only need to finish up 6 more makeup products this year. So that means that I have 107 products to finish up for the rest of the year, which means that I don't even have to use up 10 products per month. Let's hope I get there very, very quickly this year, and I can use my skincare regularly. So what have you emptied? What is your project ban goal for this year? What is your target? What makeup will you be using up? Do you have specific products to use up? Or are you just going in randomly like I am? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.